Today we are observing the MCB and ELCB difference in MCB and ELCB. These are the circuit breakers. First we are studying the what are the circuit breakers. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to operate an electrical circuit from damage caused by the overload or short circuit. Its basic function is to detect the fault condition and current flow. Unlike a fuse which operates once and then must be replaced, a circuit breaker can be reset manually or automatically to resume the normal operation. In older days, we are using the fuse in the circuitry for circuit breaks, but nowadays we are using the circuit breaker because circuit breaker can be reset automatically or we can manually reset it. We cannot need to change that circuit breaker. We also reset it. In older days, we want to change that fuse, then again replace it. So nowadays circuit breakers are used. But what are the types of circuit breakers? Low voltage circuit breaker, which is MCB, magnetic circuit breaker, thermal magnetic circuit breaker, common trip breaker, medium voltage circuit breaker, high voltage circuit breaker, disconnecting circuit breaker. In these, low voltage circuit breaker are generally used. Thermal magnetic circuit breaker also used. First one is MCB, miniature circuit breaker. In this miniature circuit breaker is the automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overload or short circuit. Its basic function is to detect a fault condition in the interrupt current flow. It comes under the low voltage circuit breaker. This is the low voltage circuit breaker. MCB means this diagram shows that MCB, which is connected to your meter reader, electricity meter reader. First we are connected electricity meter reading board, and then after that that neutral and phase connected to the MCB. You can see at your home this MCB is placed. Then this is the inner construction of the MCB. Then how MCB works? There are two arrangements of the operation of miniature circuit breaker, one due to the thermal effect and other electromagnetic effect. The thermal operation of miniature circuit breaker is achieved with the biometrical strip. Whenever the continuous overcurrent flows through the MCB, the metallic strip is heated and deflected by bending. Then applications of these MCBs, there are many small scale industrial building that are uses the miniature circuit breakers instead of old fuses. These installation requires up to 30 kiloampere capacity. Therefore the miniature breakers are ideal for this type of applications and devices. Same with the commercial installation and applications. Some industrial applications that uses miniature breaker are large stoves and application used in restaurants, bakeries and food commercial stores. Now we can study ELCB, which is earth leakage circuit breaker. An earth leakage circuit breaker is the safety device used in electrical installation with the high earth impedance to prevent shock. It detects small stray voltage on the metal enclosure of the electrical equipment and interrupts the circuit if the dangerous voltage is detected. Once widely used, more recent installation instead use residential current circuit breaker, which instead detect the leakage current directly. Why we use the ELCB? The main purpose of the earth leakage protectors, it is prevent injury to human and animal due to the electrical shock. In this circuit, ELCB is the uh, safely used for the human being, because when overload or excess current flow in the circuit, then MCB is turn off. But any short circuit will be occurred in your electronic devices, in home appliances, then leakage current will be flow in that circuit. But if you are not connecting the ELCB, then it may be happen that being having shocked with that voltage. But if the ELCB is connected to after the MCB, then where leakage current is flowing, if the person is touch that body of the appliances or instruments, then some fluctuation get occurred, and incoming and or outgoing supplies varies because of the human being touch that appliances. So the ELCB suddenly short up, so it will be shut down, off condition. So cannot be having electric shock there. So ELCB is most used in commercial condition than the after that the MCB.